Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You saw the thumbnail, we're doing another video on puddle lights, but these ones are different. These are actually color changeable, customizable puddle lights for the actual doors of your Tesla Model 3s, Model Ys, X's, and S's. Let's get into it. So if you've been around the channel for a while, or you're just getting into customizing your Tesla, these are puddle lights. They're actual lights that shine on the ground when you open up your door. There's a little wiring harness down in your door, and it shines a little light here. Stock from the factory, it's just a circle little light that lights up the ground so you can see when you're stepping in or out of the car. I've customized mine a ton on the channel. Right now I have some custom Kansas City Chiefs ones that I had ordered. But these puddle lights are from Handshow. They're a really cool set of puddle lights that are a little bit different because they're customizable. You can actually change the color of them. So we're going to take a look at one of these and show you how it's a little bit different than other custom puddle lights we've installed before. When you open one of these, you'll see there's a little controller that comes with the puddle light itself. So if we open up this package, you can actually see what that controller looks like. And that's just the Bluetooth controller that actually controls the puddle light. So here's the whole kind of setup. This is actually just going to be a plug and play mod. It's going to plug right into the same wiring harness that we've always used for our other puddle lights. Here's the puddle light itself. And this is the actual Bluetooth controller that'll change the controller of your puddle lights. You'll go ahead and scan this QR code with your phone, and it'll send you to a little app that you can use to customize the color of the puddle light. So we're going to test it all out today and see how they look. First step is going to get them installed. Let's work on that next. So I'm going to bring you down with me and actually show you where the puddle lights are. So right here, you can see my shadow. If you look up underneath the door, that's the actual puddle light we're going to be changing out. It's actually a fairly simple process. I've done this several times and never had any issues on my Model Y, but these puddle lights are also standard for other Tesla models as well. So if we just back up a little bit, what you're going to need is an actual pry tool, or sometimes a small screwdriver really helps do this as well. On the edges of the actual puddle light, there's a little tab. Just go ahead and pry out the puddle light. It's a very simple process. Take out one side, then the other side. You'll then see that it's attached with a very simple cord mechanism. There's a little latch on the top of the cord. All you have to do is push that down with either your fingernail or a screwdriver and unplug your puddle light. You will hear the window roll up because this is all connected to the window rolling up system as far as closing your doors goes. But technology has come a long way. I've never had any issues with anything affecting my windows closing or anything like that. Then when you're done, plug in the new puddle light, kind of fish it back up into the hole there and snap it in, and you're really done with the whole process. We'll do one more demo over on this left side here of taking out the puddle light on this side. So it took me about 10 minutes to do all 4 doors on my Tesla, and now I have customizable, color changeable puddle lights. I obviously went with red for all of my other red ambient lighting I have in my Model Y, but I absolutely love the look of these. It's a very sharp, crisp image. You get the sweet Tesla logo and the Tesla word there. I'm going to show you the app now and go over kind of all of its features and things you can do with these customizable puddle lights. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app here and all the things that it can do. You can see that as I installed all 4 puddle lights, they all 4 were easily located in the app. I didn't have to do anything. It just automatically found them and paired them up. Again, it's through Bluetooth. I have one door open right now, so you can see right in the app that it shows that one of the puddle lights is currently active. If I want to turn it on and off, there's an easy power button right there that you can use to turn everything off. The little pair button right there pairs and unpairs it. If you click into the puddle light, you actually get a full customizable wheel as well as some preset colors. So blue, cyan, yellow, white. You can also make some more. I'm a huge fan of the red, as you can tell in all the other videos I've done. I like the red lights. So they look really cool. You can also change the brightness here. If I go down, hopefully you can see that on camera. I'll get some more video at night of showing all this as well. And then you can see all of that stuff right there is on the front. You can also use the entire color wheel to find the specific color you want. It does all the different colors within the whole color wheel, which is really cool. I like that a lot. Over here in the app, you also have lots of customizable options down at the bottom for all kinds of different fade modes gradual change modes. It's now a blue. It's kind of going to a lighter and softer blue. So there's just tons of options with all the stuff you can do here. Looking at different scenes if you want. Let's see what party is. Looks like red, green. So different modes, all kinds of different things that you can play with here in the app. Really cool. Tons of customization for pretty much everything you'd want to do within the app. I just like mine the solid red. I'm kind of boring, but that's what works for me. Really cool app, super easy to pair. So I wanted to give my final thoughts and overview of these Puddle lights. They're extremely simple to install, very, very easy, and I love how customizable they are. Puddle lights have come a long way in the few years that I've owned my Tesla, but I have probably done 4 or 5 different videos specifically on Puddle lights. They're so customizable. They're one of the easiest things to change on your Tesla. So I went around and did all 4 doors with the red Puddle lights. I think they look sharp with my red car, with some of the other red ambient lighting I have going on in here. I think they look really good. You can kind of see that in the video. So I like these a lot. The app is super simple to use. It makes a ton of sense. There's nothing really confusing about it. You can do lots of different customization options and really kind of customize the car to how you want. So if you guys have followed the channel for a while, you know I love customizing my Tesla. Adding ambient lighting, I think, is one of the best mods you can do. I think it's a really cool accessory, a really cool feature to show off some personal style and really kind of change things how you want. I've done interior ambient lighting all over my Tesla. I've changed out my Puddle lights 5 or 6 times. I really like this option. It's so easy to do. I got these Puddle lights from Hand Show. Right now, for a set of 2, they're $60, and for the full set of 4, it was $90. If you use discount code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen, it saves you 20% right off the top of that. So you can easily save probably about 20 bucks if you buy the full set of 4. And I think it's a really good value for the customization options you're getting. I haven't seen addressable Puddle lights like this where you can customize them before, and I think it's really cool. Even Tesla just sells the white word Tesla or the white logo, and you don't get all the cool customization options, and they're probably more expensive than this. So if you're looking for a high quality product from a great company, check out these ones from Hand Show. I'll have a link in the description down there for you guys to check out. If you're interested in anything else I've done to my Tesla, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront right here down in the description as well. I appreciate you guys checking that out. If you're interested in anything else that I've ever done to my Tesla, I'll have a full playlist. Click on my Model Y playlist. You can check it all out there. I appreciate you guys coming back to the channel, always being a big supporters of the channel. It really helps me out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.